This creamy green asparagus soup tastes elegant, but it comes together from just a handful of spring ingredients. You need green asparagus, onion, garlic, white wine, broth, cream and Parmesan, plus pistachios and mint for the gremolata. Start by sweating the chopped onion and garlic in a little olive oil until soft and glassy. Add the green asparagus, keeping a few tips back for garnish, and fry it for a few minutes. Deglaze with dry white wine, let it reduce, then pour in the vegetable broth. Cover the pot and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the asparagus is soft. Meanwhile, blitz pistachios, garlic, fresh mint, lemon, and olive oil for the gremolata. Season it with salt and pepper. It's fresh, nutty, and a lovely contrast to the soup. Blend the soup until silky, then stir in the cream and grated Parmesan. Ladle it into bowls and top with a gremolata, a few asparagus tips, and a swirl of cream. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.